Hello everyone and welcome to the Friday Celebration Assembly here at Newlands. I hope everyone had a really good week. I've seen lots of excellent work as always and really always so very proud. I went to a meeting on Thursday and I was telling all the people there what a fantastic group of children I get to work with. I feel so privileged. Now, what's also great about my job is being able to announce the winners of our different awards we have each week. Betty, you're excited? She is, as always. And she loves hearing and seeing all the things the children are doing. So Betty, take a seat. It's time for us to do the awards. The first ones we have is the Going for Gold Awards. And first we have in Leeds class, Rory for being active outdoors. And Aria for listening to sounds and hearing the differences between them. In York class, we have Loki and Flynn for writing a sentence about a picture independently. In Hall class, we have Liliana for learning to sit her letters neatly on the line in her writing. And Philippe for super work in maths when counting in tens, twos, and fives. In Nottingham class, we have everyone. Oh, wow! This is for listening carefully to this in their session around emotions and feelings. Well done. In Liverpool class, we have Julia for improved size in her writing and trying hard to write letters. And Grace for always giving 100% in all the areas of learning. In Cardiff class, we have Jake K for trying hard with his handwriting. We also have Casper for always bringing his reading book to school. In Edinburgh class, we have Tia Rose for effort and enthusiasm in all of her work. We also have Sienna for showing maturity in discussions around the thoughts and feelings of others. In Cambridge class, we have Peyton for creating a beautiful prehistoric bug for the coal mining workshop. And Scarlett for working hard in maths when using long multiplication. We also have in Cambridge class Bailey for using detailed illustrations in his topic work, and Madison for reading at home every week and putting this in her reading diary. In London class, we have Stuart for working hard with Miss Parsons last week, and Ethan for the same thing for working hard with Miss Parsons. We also have in London class Amelia for persevering and achieving in long multiplication, and Kian for keeping going when typing up his English work. In Oxford class, we have Cuba for sharing his ideas and knowledge about coal, and Lottie Lou for always being ready to learn. In Lincoln class, we have Muhammad for recognizing letters phonetically. And Chester class, we have Billy for really trying hard with his English. Well done to all of you. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Love it. Love to hear all about the fantastic work you're doing. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. First, we have in Leeds class Sophie for eating fruit at snack time, and Jensen for having healthy food in his packed lunch. In York class, we have Vanessa for being able to explain how to wash our hands properly, and Amaya for always eating all of her school dinner. In Hall class, we have Harvey for sharing his amazing dance routine with the rest of the class, and Izzy for enjoying using bats and balls to develop her send and return skills. In Nottingham class, we have Daisy for having a positive attitude towards her learning, and SJ for fantastic efforts in reading. And see, in Liverpool class, we have Morgan for always trying her dinners and eating most foods, and Jacob B for trying hard to throw and catch a ball. In Cardiff class, we have Lexi May for bringing healthy snacks at break times, and Casey for bringing healthy snacks at break times as well. In Edinburgh class, we have Garan for super effort in swimming, and Katie for making healthy choices with her school lunch. In Cambridge class, we have Ava for being brave on the residential trip in Malham, and Oscar for working nicely in a team when on the residential. We also have in Cambridge class Nicola for being a kind friend and a team member on the Malham trip, and all of Cambridge class for all the children worked hard wonderfully on the trip. They used manners, they had good listening, and were great teamwork skills. Miss Lofthouse is very proud. In London class, we have Jessica Metcalf for being a great team player whilst in Malham, and Addison S for super leadership skills in Malham. We also have Chloe for showing maturity when on the trip, and Jacob A for independence during the trip to Malham. In Oxford class, we have Brooke for growing in confidence and beginning to share his ideas in class, and Scarlett for always being ready to help others. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for exploring and touching different food textures. And in Chester class, we have Leah for eating a range of vegetables. Well done, all you children. Excellent. Like seeing and hearing about all the fantastic work you've done. Come on, Betty, come back over here. Right. So Betty and I want to tell you we're proud of all of you. You've done well this week. We can't wait to see what next week brings with us. Have a good weekend. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.